Hi, I'm Janine, and my daughter Jessica and I own Props by Posies, where we sell newborn and sitter patterns for photography purposes. And today I wanted to show you a comparison on just a regular foot on your sewing machine versus a walking foot. Now, walking foots are usually used for quilting. It keeps all of your layers together when you're quilting. And the reason that is a normal foot it just kind of pushes on the fabric as you go through. Well, a walking foot will kind of pick up and push through, pick up and move, pick up and move. And so it keeps all of your layers together, and it doesn't push the fabric down so much. So when in the instructions of our patterns, I always recommend that you use a four-way stretch fabric, like a stretch knit fabric. And the reason for that is because you can get it to fit multiple sizes of babies, newborns, and sitters by the stretch. So you can do, you can do a 6 to 9 month or 6 to 12 months sometimes, depending on the fabric you use. And you can also do a 6-pound baby up to a 9-pound baby, or sometimes a 10+ baby. Just kind of depends, but how well that fabric stretches. But if you have a really good four-way stretch fabric, it does so much better. So the only problem is when you use a stretch knit fabric, it tends to wave on you. It tends to wave, and it's hard to manage under the foot, and you just can't get that professional look that you want. Well, the answer to that is in my instructions. I recommend a stabilizing tape. It's a quilter's tape. It's double-sided tape, and it helps keep that fabric stabilized so that it doesn't grow on you. But I have since found that this walking foot is not only for quilting, it's also for stretch knit fabrics, and it works great. And I want to show you the difference. So let's get started. I have just my regular foot on the sewing machine. This is a transparent foot, just because I like to see what I'm doing. I'm going to do a zigzag and show you the difference here. You can kind of see how it's pushing that fabric down. Even if I lighten up a little bit on the pressure. See, it's kind of getting away from me. It's just kind of a little bit more difficult. So let me show you what happens. Is it just grows. The fabric grows. It gets kind of warped, and you can see that it's waved. You can see the wave in it. So let me show you with the walking foot what the difference is on that. So this walking foot, the little fork, it just slides right. This is a Bernina. They're different. I mean, many, they come for all of the machines. This happens to be a Bernina foot. There we go. This is a Bernina foot. It was quite expensive. If I had to do it over again, I do know that Amazon has walking foots for the Bernina. It's not a Bernina brand, but it fits the Bernina. They also have all kinds for all machines. So just when you're searching, if you're searching on Amazon, just type in there the name of your machine and say walking foot. Okay, here's the walking foot. I'm also going to do a zigzag on this one and get my fabrics straight together here. And let me show you how that works. So as you can see, it's much easier to manage. It doesn't get away from you. And this is what it looks like. It doesn't grow. It doesn't wave on you. It's very flat. So see the difference here? That's the difference it makes, if you can see between all the threads. Makes such a world of difference. So I would recommend for everybody to get a walking foot. They're like $35 and under. I saw one today as I was looking at Amazon that was I think it was for the Brother machines. It was like $11.95, I think it was. So they're not expensive. The Bernina brand for the Bernina machine is very expensive. It's $200. But if I had to do it over again, I would probably go a little bit cheaper and try and see. I I can't say that they're great. They're the ones that are generic for all sewing machines or whatever, because I've never tried it. But I know that people in my Facebook group, where we discuss things like this, they have, and they swear by them also. So just wanted to show you that, show you the difference. Be sure to check out our store. We have an Etsy store called Props by Posies, and we also have the e-commerce page, just propsbyposies.com. And I'd love to see you there and in our Facebook group. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.